was just, over the series, there was a few, elbows thrown, and he kind of does this thing on the free throws where he like puts his elbows really high, and he got me like 2 or 3 of them throughout the series, on the free throws. So I gave him one back, and then he didn't like it, I didn't like it, so it kind of just boiled over a little bit. I thought it was just going to be a tech and we move on, but probably went for a little too long, so they just threw us out. Plus Wood got 50 as well, which probably went into us. So it was a silly play. I shouldn't have done it, but also just trying to stick up for myself as well.